Resizing an image in Adobe Photoshop is a fundamental skill for anyone working with digital images, whether you're a professional graphic designer, photographer, or just looking to modify photos for personal use. Photoshop, renowned for its comprehensive and powerful image editing capabilities, offers a versatile and precise way to resize images. When you resize an image in Photoshop, you're changing its dimensions, which can be crucial for various purposes, such as web design, printing, or simply to reduce file size for easier sharing. The process involves adjusting the number of pixels in the image, which directly affects its resolution and overall quality. Understanding how to effectively resize images in Photoshop allows you to maintain image quality while fitting your image to specific size requirements. Whether you're looking to enlarge a photo for a print or reduce its size for a website, Photoshop provides the tools needed to achieve your desired results with accuracy and ease. In the following steps, you'll learn how to navigate Photoshop's interface to resize images, understand the importance of aspect ratios and resolution, and explore the various options available to ensure your resized images maintain their visual appeal and are fit for their intended purpose. Resizing an image in Adobe Photoshop is a common task and can be done following these steps. Launch Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Go to File in the menu bar and browse to the location of the image you want to resize. Select the image and click Open. Access image size settings. Once your image is open, go to the menu bar. Click on Image and then select Image Size from the drop-down menu. This opens the Image Size dialog box. Set new dimensions. In the Image Size dialog box, you can choose to resize your image by pixels or by percentage. Enter your desired width or height. The other dimension will automatically adjust to maintain the aspect ratio. If you want to resize without maintaining the aspect ratio, click on the chain icon to deactivate it, and then enter your desired width and height. Adjust resolution if necessary. If you're preparing an image for print, you might need to adjust the resolution, which is measured in pixels per inch, ppi. For web images, a resolution of 72 ppi is usually sufficient. For printing, resolutions of 300 ppi or higher are recommended. Resample if necessary. If you are significantly changing the size of the image, consider using the resample option. Resampling changes the number of pixels in the image. When making an image smaller, it's generally safe to resample. When enlarging, be aware that resampling can sometimes lead to a loss in image quality. Choose a resampling method from the drop-down menu. Photoshop provides several, each suited to different types of images and resizing needs. Apply the changes. After setting your dimensions and other options, click OK to resize the image. Save your resized image. To save the resized image, go to File in the menu bar. Click Save As to save your image as a new file, or Save to overwrite the original file. Choose the format you wish to save your image in, such as JPEG or PNG. Choose a location to save, name your file, and click Save. Remember, when you resize an image, especially when enlarging it, there may be some loss of quality. Always keep a copy of the original image in case you need to revert or try a different resizing method.